Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. I'm going to talk about NIO, ticker symbol NIO. Well, we were talked on our very important resistance level sitting at $46.12. So today we opened up at 46.13, right? And we went high at 46.91. We came back, we were testing on it. We fall through. We broke out of it at 46.45, and after that we were just been a downhill. We were even trading below our 60-day. So if you see our 60-day moving average, it was acting as a massive resistance throughout the day, and even the 200-day moving and the WAP. So the market just closed about a minute ago, closed at 44.95, down 3% today, $1.39 from the previous close, right? And I'm going to talk about some more technical stats which we're looking at and what we discussed in the previous video to see if it falls to that channel, right? Before I talk, I'm going to talk about some growth news. You guys know me very well. I love to talk about growth news of the company, and I'm going to share with you right now. Hey folks, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification so you guys can constantly be updated on NIO or any other stock you prefer to. So the news for today, information provided for 36R brings the audio to NIO vehicles. US listed Chinese-based financial information provider 36KR Holdings recently announced audio segments for NIO Intuitive Sound Community for NIO Radio and has to come to NIO vehicles. The segment is targeted for the business and financial insurance, will bring NIO user up to date for the insightful content and professional perspective for the company, right? Growth. That's all we want to talk about, growth, right? And this article also I'm going to talk about, it's something came out that people were worried about it. Like, there was a rumor about a couple of months ago that US the SEC is going to ban all the Chinese companies to get listed, so forth, right? And I want to clear it right now because NIO is not a scam company or anything like that where you'll be seeing get delisted or any fear of getting delisted, right? Dutch Bank says, could Chinese stock merge the winner from DB Babakal, right? And this company has been shaken off. They had a massive down, like 33% in past 2 days because the SEC is looking at it. It wasn't look like a legitimate company, and so forth, right? So, what is unique about EV sectors, according to Wise team, the strong government support. Yes, NIO is backed by Chinese government in a massive way, even for building their plants for more cars, right? So they are backed heavily by the Chinese government. So there's nothing to be concerned or anything to worry about it, right? And also, NIO's insurance, right? NIO Auto Insurance registration surpassed NIO's for the first time in June. Man, I always want to see NIO in number one, not in number two. NIO is right here. They had about 7,777 insurance registrations compared to Li Auto was 37,827 and 6,339 was X-Bank, right? So they have their own insurance policies and claims and stuff. So Li Auto is the first time that's passed this year on NIO's registration. So, well, nothing to be alarmed with. I just wanted to share with you guys, like, NIO also does their insurance too, folks. So, growth. You're always going to hear me on this channel. I'm always talk about growth stock, growth. If there's a growth and fundamental is attached to the company, yes, there's a long-term investment. Money can be made on these kind of companies because if the growth is continuously happening. So let's talk about on the technical side. Yesterday on the video, I had this white line, right, and wanted to see if it drops to that range. We came close, right? The low for the day was 44.93. My next support level was sitting right over here at 44.58, and then after that was 43.41. We came close and we failed to break out, right? So what are we looking at? 6 months. On the 6-month chart, we are still trading below our 60-day 200-day moving average. Let me have the graph ready. Here you go. So the pink line, you'll see this is the 200-day moving average, and we are trading below on that. 60-day moving average is also sitting at 46.83. So the two moving average is going to be a massive support right here. Massive resistance sitting at roughly $46.26, and then $46.83. So that will be the two massive on the 6 months 2 hour time frame. When I go back to the year to date, right, it'll give a 60-day will be acting as a support. So now our 60-day time and time, we have never came close to testing our 60-day, right? When we had this massive run, when we had this breakout, right, at 43, from 30 to 43 to give us a clear indication, we went all the way higher, 55, and now we are retracking a little bit back and trading sideways. I'm okay with that, folks, because we came all the way to 42, then we went and tested the higher 45, and then we came back. So as mentioned on the previous videos, that we will be trading in between the channel very soon to have another breakout, which is fine, which is okay. You want to do that because RSI is going to an oversold territory, and when the buyers are sitting at roughly around a $43 to $44 range, where the buyers were going to step in and push the price up time and time. So the 60-day, we are coming close to our 60 days, so we have definitely need to watch tomorrow, this week, to see if we're going to come below at 43.69, and if it holds or no. I'm very confident that it's going to come around at 46.69 to 46.50, and have a massive support for the buyers to step in and go test higher $46 again. So that is what I'm looking at it. In order for me to load call options, I'm a long-time investor for the NIO, so I'm not worried about that. But in terms of lead calls and stuffs, this is where I'm seeing is a pullback coming over here, and then we're gonna have a channel up. It's okay because sometimes you need this kind of pullback, right? The kind of massive run that we had all the way up here. It's pullback right here, like you've seen it. We have this pullback. We came from here all the way 48 to all the way to 43, then before making higher highs. So we are doing the same, going to be doing the same thing over here and testing it and moving forward, right? A lot of talks is going tomorrow, so be careful. More data is coming on inflation tomorrow, so unemployment too. So we definitely need to keep an eye for tomorrow on that. But overall, I'm happy what I see at NIO right now. It's holding it firm right now. It just need to have a little bit push uptrend to hold, right? If it breaks at 43, right, then the next support level is sitting roughly at $41.32, somewhere around here, that $43.32. I really don't want it to draw a resistance level, but I will, because we're always supposed to have a plan, and we will have a plan sitting right up here. I don't personally see it coming all the way to $41, but you never know, right? So I'm going to delete it, but the next massive support level is sitting at $41 and sitting at $43.69, which we might see a pull tomorrow and a massive uptrend. So let's see if it works out tomorrow or no. I'm going to do a recap video on Thursday, not on Wednesday. I'll do a recap video on Thursday. But that's all I have, folks. Overall, love the company, love the growth. Keep continuous news every time we hear. I love to share with you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, so you guys can be constantly be updated. One more time, don't forget about two very important support levels sitting at 43.69, and also a two resistance level. Two resistance level that we need to break out is definitely sitting right up here, folks. Right up here at $46.12, and then $46.95. We need to break out those two to give a uptrend momentum, because we did have we were making some sort of higher highs, we had a pullback, and now we had another pullback, some sort of created a triple bottom. If I kind of zoom it back again, like every time we come to 47, we retrack it 44.33, right? And then when we go test at 47, we come back and test it. So let's see if this is like some sort of a triple bottom right up here in order to create higher highs. So quick technical analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe and have happy trading for the next couple of days. Thank you.